Hello my students, how are you? Group 1. Today we'll complete worksheets weekly assessment number 4 from performance box. Okay, assessment number 4. I will complete question number 5. We have 3x is product by x plus 2 plus x product by 3x plus 5. We can product 3x times x equal 3x power 2 and 3x times 2 equals 6x. Now x times 3x equal 3x power 2 and 5 times x will be 5x. Now we can simplify 3x power 2 plus 3x power 2 equal 6x power 2 and 6x plus 5x equal 11x. Now we can find the value of this expression at x equal 2. Then the value will be equal right here, the value of x equal 2. Then we have 6 product by 2 product by 2 plus 11 product by 2. Then we have 6 times 2 power 2 is 4 plus 4 2 times 11 is 22. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 22 equals 66. Then the answer will be 66. The simplest answer by this question. Okay, the answer will be 66. Okay, understood? Next question down. Model C. Choose the correct answer. X plus 1 less than negative 3. Which of the following could be the value of x? Look at here with me about first solution. We must move 1 from left hand side to negative sign hand side and change the sign. X less than negative 4. What is the number less than negative 4? Choose letter C. Negative 6 is less than negative 4. Next question. 5y power 3 product by 3y power 4. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Y power 3 times y power 4 is y power 7. We can collect 2 powers here. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Next question. Answer the following. Find the solution of the inequality in rational number. First step, we can divide it by 4 to cancel coefficient of x of the brackets. We have 4 product by x minus 1 less than equal to 20. X minus 1 less than equal to 20 divided by 4 equal 5. Then x less than equal to 5 plus 1 equals 6. In the solution set x such that x belongs to rational number and x less than or equal to 6. Find the simplest form of this expression. We have 6 AB product by 2a power 2 b power 2 plus 4b subtract by a. 6 times 2 is 12. AP times a power 2 b power 2. A times a power 2 equal a power 3. B times b power 2 equal b power 3. And 6 times 4 is 24. AB times b will be a b power 2. B times b power 2 subtract by 6ab times a. 6 times 1 equals 6. And a times a power 2 and write b behind it. Okay, the last solution about this question. We can find more solution because we have different, not equivalent, the value here. Simplify the simplest form and then find the value when x or a equal 3. Okay, first step in this example, we have 6a product by a minus 1 plus 2a product by 3a plus 2. First step, I will distribute here. Use distributable properties with the brackets. 6a times 8 will be 6a power 2. 6a times negative 1 will be negative 6a. And 2 times 3 is 6. a times a equal a power 2. And 2a times 2, 2 times 2, 4. Then we have 4a. 6a power 2 plus 6a power 2 equal 12a power 2. Negative 6a plus 4a will be negative 2a. Then we can find the value at a equal 3 equal, then 12 product by a power 2 here, put value of a 3 power 2 subtract by 2 times 3. 2 times 3 power 2 is 9 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can find the answer. 2 times 9 equal 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. Understood? The last question here about week assessment number 4. Now I will complete to solve homework with you, okay? About week number 4. First question, find the value. First question, find the simplest form. We have x power 2 y power 2 times 5x power 2 y. We can write 5 times 1 is 5, and x power 2 times x power 2 x power 4, and y power 2 times y power 1, we have 1 here, 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then we have 5x power 4 y power 3. Find the result about this expression. We can use distributive properties. We have 3x product by 3x power 2 plus 3xy minus 2. We can use distributive properties. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x power 2 equal x power 3. And then write positive. 3 times 3 is 9. And x times x power 2. And write y. Write negative. 3 times 2 is 6. And write x. 9x power 3 plus 9 x power 2 y minus 6x. This is the simplest answer for this question. Next question here, simplify this expression. We have 2x times 2x product by brackets here 3x minus 1 in brackets, and then plus 3x times x plus 2. We know 2 times 3 is 6, x times x power 2, and 2x times 1 it will be 2x. 3x times x is 3x power 2, and 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 6x. 6x power 2 plus 3x power 2 it will be 9x power 2. Negative 2x plus 6x it will be 4x. This is the simplest answer by this question. Next question down here from homework. A triangle of a base of x power 2 plus 2x plus 3 length unit and the height of 3x units of length. Find the area terms. The area equal half times base times height. We know area of triangle is half times base times corresponding height. We have product by here half. Product by the base was x power 2 plus 2x plus 3. Half times base times corresponding height was 3x. Okay, then we can find the area of triangle half times base times height. After that, find the value when x equal 3. Okay, you can simplest about this example. We know half times this number, it will be half x power 2 plus 2 divided by 2 1 times x equal x, and we have 3 times half, it will be 3 over 2x. X here times x will be x power 2, and here x times x power 2 it will be x power 3. Okay, again we have here x, not x times. Okay, the rule here, half times base times height. Half product by x power 2 it will be half x power 2. Half times 2x it will be x. Half times 3 equals 3 over 2. All product by 3 by x. It's a height. Then you can simplest it. To find the answer, we have half x power 2 times 3x it will be 3 over 2. X power 2 times x will be x power 3 plus x times 3x it will be 3 x power 2 plus 3 over 2 product by 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. It will be 9x. The simplest answer by this question. Now I will find the area when x equal 3. Complete with me here, right? the area equal, now at x equal 3, in the value of the area right here 3, write 3 over 2 product by 3 power 3 is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Okay, put the value of x here equal 3. 3 power 3 27 plus 3 times 3 power 2 9 plus 9 over 2 times the value of x 3. Okay, then we have 3 times 27 divided by 2. It will be 81 over 2 plus 27 plus 27 over 2. You can collect the same base first. Write 27 here, and this number write 2. 7 plus 1 equal 8, and 8 plus 2 equal 10. Then we have 27 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. So 7 plus 4 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then the answer will be 81. Simplify the simplest form and then find the value when x or m equal 2. Okay, first step, we can use distributive properties to find the answer here in the simplest form. Look at here, we have 2m reduced by m minus 4 plus 3m reduced by 2m plus 1. First, 2m times m equal 2m power 2. And 2m times negative 4, 2 times 4 equal 8, and write m. 3m times 2m, 3 times 2 6, m times m equal power 2. 3m times 1 equal 3m. Now we can collect 2 plus 6 equal 8. We have 8m power 2. Negative 8m plus 3m equal negative 5m. Now as the value when m equal 2, then value will be equal, but here is the value of m equal 2. Then we have 8 times 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. Subtract 5 times the value of m equal 2. 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract by 2 times 5 10. And 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then the result will be 22.